tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to make the enemy actually do something to the dragon. So we're going to open the enemy script again over here. Now we already have here on trigger enter to the function. So I'm just gonna type here collision dot other game object. Alright, collision dot game object as selected false, for example. So if I were to play and the dragon touch the enemy, this will happen. Nothing. Of course, that is because the enemy still doesn't have any collider. So, simple fix. Just gonna rigid body to the. Hold up. No. We don't need that. Just collider 2D. Make the trigger and make the collider bigger, 3x3 perhaps, or actually maybe 2x2 because it's the enemy, right? We don't want the player to hit it too easily. So we're still not doing anything. Yeah, bye. Okay, let's see. Colliders. Of course, the one getting turned off is this body. Okay, let me show you. Or maybe not. Okay, so compared to target tag is dragon. That's why our target tag is player. Yes, dragon. Meanwhile, our player tag is player. Save that. Play and see what happened now. See, the one getting turned off is the body collider. Easy fix this. Collision dot attach rigid body, just do that. So it was because it collided with this collider, right? But the one we want to turn off is the dragon over here. So we just gonna access this one, the attached rigid body. Can you see it? And the attached rigid body refers to our dragon. So if we play it now, should be pop. There you go. The dragon is gone. Alright. Now I think it's about time we give it a bit of animation. So right here I already prepared that sprite. So we're going to make a new folder, call it animations. Open the animation and create here animator controller. I'm gonna call it dragon. Go to dragon over here and this the anime controller we just made. And here you see it created an animator component. Double click that. I'm gonna make another one, and that is an animation. You can notice for the different icon. I'm gonna name it dragon that and drag it over here. Let's make another one. Dragonfly. Drag it here. Now you see here, one is orange, one is gray. Orange is the default state of the animation. We don't want the dragon to be dead from the start, so we want it to fly, right? So right click the fly and set it as the layer default state. Okay, and then click the select the dragon. We go to the animation tab, or you can go to window, animation, or you can also control 6. So here we have our dragon here, and we have the animations attached to it. I will want to go here for dead, and let's drag it over. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so what I want to do when it dies is I want the dragon to like change to depths, right, and jump right in Mario. So to do that, I'm going to click here, the red button, select the graphic over here. I'll change this to dead. You can see that the animation is automatically inserted because we press the record button. And then I want to move this graphic, notch it for a little bit, change this back to 0, just so that we can get the keyframe over here. I mean, you can still also add the keyframe manually, like using this one, or add the property over here, but using the record button, it just makes it easier. Okay, so I'm gonna move here to like 60 frame. Move it up here, and another 60. Finally, we'll go down here. Now let's see if that works. Don't forget to turn off the record button after you done recording it. Okay, it's too slow, so I'm gonna drag it back here. Right, still too slow. Yeah, that is good. Okay, now that we have that, we want to actually call the dead animation. So I'm gonna click here to add a new parameter. I'm gonna choose trigger, call it dead. Right click from the dragonfly, make transition and click the dragon dead. You can see there's a white arrow created for that. Click that arrow, and over here in the inspector, you can see several settings. Here is the pause button. Click that, and we can select what parameter to use here. We only have one for now, and we don't need an exit time. Okay, that should do it. There you go. And back to the code. I want to, instead of doing this, want to get component animator, that means we're going to access the animator component of the dragon and set trigger type that which is the name of the trigger we just created. Save that. And now if we play the game, it should work. There we go, but I can't change, I can't go anywhere. Okay, that's weird. Boom. Let's go to Dragonfly. Is it doing anything? No? Okay. It's weird. Let's see here. Maybe the actual thing it moves, but so the dragon is now doesn't fall down. Calling mode, not treat is normal. What if we turn on the animator? Freeze position X, mass, linear drag, gravity scale, 5 discrete. Position dragon. So that's why. Okay, I know why. Over here in the that animation, we have dragon position in a keyframe, so that's why it doesn't move. We're gonna do here is we're just gonna, can I guess not. Alright, we're just gonna delete this dragon position. What we want to move is not the dragon but the flying animation, the flying sprite, the sprite itself, I mean. So okay, looking good. Now if we play, it should work now. There we go. Bye-bye. But the sprite is not triggering. Why? Come on. Okay. We can debug that by going here. Make the flying. It's not going anywhere. If that is not going to trigger. Collision compare tag, target tag. Let's try the debugging over here. Does it even get there? It does. So it must be around our settings. Let's see. That the parameter name is correct. That animation is also correct. Controller. All right. That's why I turned off the animator, okay? Turn that back on. Bang! And there you have it. Now we actually have death animation. Let's do this also. The time scale equals 0. So that when the player hits enemy, the time stops. And over here, we're gonna need to update mode on scale time. There you go, looking better. Alright. Let's try playing it without hitting anything. Ooh, Is it too hard? Yeah, it's damn hard. 무서워. 아직. Down. Alright. Now don't forget to save. And that's it for this tutorial. We managed to give the dragon a death animation and trigger it by touching the enemy. In the next video, I'll give the dragon a flying animation, and I think it's about time we do like scoring system. So every time we touch a apple, we get a score for it. And that's it for this tutorial then. Thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.